Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to create your daily report each day. To get started, go to the project where you want to create your daily report. If you scroll down, you'll find the daily report module. Here, you'll see every daily report you've created so far for this project. The daily report is generated automatically as you update your project details, tasks, schedule, and time tracking. Whatever you update throughout the day automatically populates that day's report. This is also available in the mobile app. Just click Create Daily Report, and the report will be generated automatically. To do this, click Create. Choose your name, and click Create again. You'll then see the schedule and tasks assigned to you, along with the progress you've updated, all reflected in your daily report. If there's something you don't want to include in the report, you can remove it and save your changes. You'll also see the weather conditions for the day. If there's any task information you don't want to show in the daily report, you can remove it from the log. For example, you might choose not to show the weather, the schedule, or your time log. Just remove whichever section you don't need. In the weather section, if the weather affected your work, you can enable weather affected and note what work was impacted. If it didn't affect your work, you can leave it as is. You'll also find a notes section where you can note what's been completed and what's still pending. You can create individual notes, add multiple notes, or keep it to a single standard note. Just type it in and save. If you'd like to include any attachments from today's work, such as site images or videos, you can upload those as well. This lets your admin view the day's progress whenever they want. Once everything is filled in, click Create, and your daily report will be generated. If you need to edit a daily report you've already created, click the Action button. You'll see several options: Edit, Delete, View, or Download. You can download the report as a PDF and send it to your admin, supervisor, or manager. Clicking Edit lets you update the report and review all the details you've entered. You can also delete a report if needed, or view it directly within the system. So that's how you create your daily report. You don't have to type everything manually. All the updates you make for the project throughout the day are automatically reflected here. You can also add notes for anything specific you want to highlight to your admin, and they'll be able to view it directly from the application. Thank you.